Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So I bought this iPhone 8 Plus casing. From the overall look, it's really nice and beautiful. It's some kind of mirror glass, and this casing is for my mother. Okay, and let's watch this video.
Shout out to Nitro, shout out to Glacier. I wear the ice you never paid for. I got a bankroll, becoming major. I'll zip you up just like a tailor. I got the world in my hands, where's the glory in that? I need more for the kids, thinking matter of fact. I need raps for the people straight up finishing last. I need bars for the kids who care less for a Mac. Shape up, parallelogram. Don't string yourself out on any paragraphs. Ride up, little homie, fill up a notepad. Write words that you know will make an impact. I caught myself in writing dumb tracks.
With this casing, you can make a casing to be standing. So it's really functional to use this casing.
100 people I done been that. Yo, people took me down, I felt a relapse. I got potential, gotta see ya. Yo, I'm reverential to my leaders. I'm reverential to my leaders.
And then with this mirror glass, you can see through your phone screen. So it's really nice and beautiful. Well, thank you for watching this video guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and you can subscribe this channel to get more interesting videos. See you next time. Have a nice day.